Good afternoon, Colin here with TechOut. Just wanted to take a second here to show you guys this watch band I picked up on Amazon. The brand is Nagata. I picked this up for $8.99 and they had a 40% off coupon on here. So it was like $4 or $5. It was very, very inexpensive. And I'm actually quite surprised at the quality because I bought cheap watch bands on Amazon before for my Galaxy watch. And they're extremely thin and flimsy. But as you can see here, this one is very, very nice. This is the medium large one. They do also have the small medium one, but this one happened to be on sale. It's kind of like a grayish black color. You really can't tell that it's a gray, but it's not full on black. They do have one of those, but I think that one was running about $14.99. So again, I just picked this one up because it was the cheapest. I will link this in the description to where it is on Amazon, but it is pretty high quality for the price. It doesn't feel like these clasps are going to rip off or anything like that. Went on the watch just fine. This is the Apple Watch Ultra 2, but it works for any of the larger watches. They do have all the sizing information and everything on there for the small, medium, and medium large, and you choose which watch you have. You can pick a color and pick a size, and there you go. Like I said, this one on sale for $8.99 with a 40% off coupon on top of that. So very, very good deal on Amazon for this Apple Watch band. I thought I would just change it up from my red silicone band that I've had forever. Colin here with TechOut. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.